welcome back with another video. Today, this is kind of important. I will be showing you my pet slime in Minecraft. Okay, oof. I almost made it. Here he is. Guess what his name is? Guess it. Leave it down in the comments right now. And I'll, if you like this video and subscribe and click the bell, I will tell you what his name is. Okay, you did it? Cool. I will tell you what his name is since you did it. Yeah. His name is Slimy. Slimy the Slime. Most obvious name. I just have to get the cross on him so it shows his name. Isn't he so cute? I've just been sitting here in silence almost the whole thing. Wait, why is it open like that? Oh, mysteries. Okay, that's not it for the video, guys. That is not it for the video. I will be showing you my pet slime. Oh, that is the video. By the way, this is the second video I've made. Today, I'm going to make another one, a third one, and I'm going to upload them all at the same time. Well, the first one was already uploaded a few hours or a few minutes ago. So, sorry if I stick my tongue out at you. I meant to do like the cute fish tongue. What? Get away! Get away from him! Get away from my slimy! Oh Have a taste of your own medicine. Hey, how did I get a headshot? Bro. Oh, yeah, boy. Go try to hit the zombie. I'm gonna hit the zombie. Oh. I hit the zombie! I hit the zombie from that far. Try to hit him from all the way over there. Did I get him? Oh, he's already over there. Bow! Whoa. I gotta hit him over the creeper. Oh crap. Where Where's the zombie going now? Why does he keep going that way? Oh, he's trying to get the skeleton to defend him. Oh, that's a lot of XP over there. Oh, you make me mad. Goodbye. Did he just blink? Is that just me or did he just blink? I don't know. Oh! Bow! Oh, 360 side. Oh, bow. Oh. 360 side. Whoop. 360 side creeper. 360 side. Arapapa. Wow. 360 kill. Where'd it go? 360. Yeah. 360 shot. 360 shot. Boom. What? 360 shot. Where do they keep going? 360 shot. 360 shot. 360 shot. 360 shot. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do a 360, 364, 365, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a witch. Get out of my face. Don't nobody go near my little baby. That's an order. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'll tell you something. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Bro, stop looking forward. Please. Oh my gosh. Please. Okay, I have to do this now. I cannot touch it. Why? I'm cursed. I can't touch the freaking button. Oh, finally I can push it. Let me pause this real quick. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, let's play now. Well, let's not play, because this is the end of the video, guys. Bye. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications if there are more videos. So when you hit it, that means you get, every time I upload a video, it shows up on your screen, but it's like a notification. Please click that notification bell and subscribe and like the video. And please comment hashtag Endertay6122 in the comments if you want a shout out. And here we go. I'm gonna put just the wall of names. I'm just gonna put a wall. Then we'll put some names there. Nah. Yeah, I will. I'll get the wall of names. I'm going to. Oh crap. What is that? There's grown-ups right there. Okay, now that's it. Here's the wall of names for hashtag, for the hashtag Endertay612. If you want a shout out, I will put your name on this wall with a sign. Now that's the end of this video, guys. Bye. That's that's the end of this video, guys. Bye.